Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Preetham's Core Journal. In this video, we will have summary of the built-in core data types, okay? And I have made separate videos for each of these built-in core data types, okay? So let us proceed ahead and have a quick summary. So in numbers, first of all integer, normal variable storing a numerical value. Then we have the signed integer, that is negative values, that is -1, -4. Then we have the values 0 or 1, that is true or false, which are the boolean values, okay. Next we have the float, that is floating point numbers, means any number with the decimal. If you want to write 4, then you have to write 4.0, okay. Then we have the exponent notation, where we have the exponent value as 5 over here and then 4. Then we have the complex numbers, that is we have the numbers a plus bi, where I is the square root of -1. So that bi is the imaginary number and the a is the real part, okay. So I have written 3 examples over here. The first number is the real part and the 11j is the imaginary part. Also we have to use j for specifying that that is a imaginary part, okay. And if you want to print only the real part, then we have to use the particular variable point real, that is k dot real. And if you want to print the imaginary part, then you have to use the k dot image, okay. Now let us go ahead for the string part. Well, string is a sequence of characters with the first index 0. We have the capital P over here, like that for index 1 2 3 4 5, and we have the last index here as 5. So name of 5 is small m, and we printed it using the print function, okay. Now let us proceed ahead to the list part. So list is denoted by the square brackets and we can change the values in list, okay. So we had the a list as 1 2 3 4 5, but I changed the 1 to 10, and we had 5 at the last index, but I changed it to 50, okay, and it was updated. Now let us go to the tuples. We cannot change tuples as we did in list. Also tuples are denoted by the round brackets, that is the normal brackets, okay. And if you try to like change or update the values, then it will give an error, okay. Now let us see the sets. So sets is denoted by the curly brackets, and we can have tuple as an element in set, but we cannot have list because sets do not allow the mutable elements, and mutable means modifiable, okay. We had two double entries of 4, but we only got one as the output. We cannot have list because list would give me an error, because list is modifiable and set does not allow a modifying element. Then we had the tuple in it and we got the tuple 4 5 in the output. Let me just write it down. That is not mutable or modifiable. Okay, so let us go ahead for the dictionary part. So a dictionary has a key and value pair and it is denoted in the curly brackets. We have the key and the value assigned to it. So if you wanna print the value of key u, then you will use the vowels, the same name as that of dictionary, and the square bracket and the key inside it. It will give us the value which was stored in that particular key, okay. So that's all for the built-in core data type summary. This was a short video, and if you want to focus on each data type separately, then you can watch the videos that I have already made. I have pasted the link inside the description. You can go and watch those videos. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you found the video informative, then do like the video, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then press that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you won't miss any updates on videos that I am posting. Okay, so see you all in the next video. Bye bye.